Good morning, guys. Today is the day we get carpet. Woo! Noah's really tired. It's 7:30 right now, and the carpet people were not supposed to come till 8. And they called Noah like when he was pretty much waking up, because we were gonna wake up at 7. And they're like, we're gonna be there in 25 minutes. And we're like, what? So we had to rush to get over to the house, and we're almost there. But we're gonna get this carpet thing done, and you guys are gonna get to see how it looks when it's finished, and I can't wait.
I thought I was gonna have a whole hour to get ready and eat, and I think this is Stumpner right here.
Yeah, no.
This is Stumpner
Not
right
happening.
here. This is Stumpner.
That's somebody you know.
Hey! Hey!
No.
Hey!
Stop, they can't hear you. They can't hear you. Oh my gosh, she's talking to cars and is not gonna hear you inside a car.
Stumpner.
Anyways, we're almost there.
She did turn, but she didn't realize it.
Here's the carpet before. So gross. And the spill. Probably turn that light on. There you go. Looks really dark when that light is not working, but there we go. It's going to get all beautified. So guess what? Guys came in, ripped up the carpet, and you remember how we said it smelled like pet urine? Well, on the subfloor, there is pet urine. So we have to go buy Kills and put it all over that area. So frustrating, because we have waited over a month for this carpet to come in and to be installed. And we have a time crunch because we're trying to move on Sunday, and I really want to get this carpet done as soon as possible. I have a wedding I am doing makeup for on Saturday, and I mean, it's just not good timing at all. I'm like, there's nothing but problems with this house so far. Our dishwasher doesn't work right now. We gotta figure that stuff out. We had to bug bomb the whole place because there were fleas on top of it with all the gross ass carpet. So it's just ridiculous. But we're gonna go buy Kills and put it on the floor. Noah's out there. Oh, we're gonna go Kills the floor.
Alright everybody, so I know Lily gave you a little bit of a rundown of what's going on, but I'm going to give you even a more in-depth thing of what's going on. We need to put Kills down on the baseboards, or on the, not the baseboard, sorry, the subfloor. So what happened was they have a cat and a dog, I think Lily already covered that. But then when they pull everything up, you can really see everything, where everything is. The first thing that I noticed after they pulled everything up was the fact that there was a male cat in here prior to the renters, whoever, there were renters in here, and then whoever before that. Whoever installed the last batch of carpet had put down Kills. The way you know if there was a male cat in here is everything along the edges will have Kills on it. So that's what all this white is. This white stuff is Kills. It's not just regular paint. People didn't just get happy and want to paint their subfloor. As you can see, all these patches, this is called Kills. Sorry, I was covering the mic. This is called Kills. This is to keep odors from, it traps odors and kills the odors that are below it. So what had happened was there were cats here and a dog. And they stained up some of the spots where the Kills are. And that guy, the carpet guy, said we would suggest that you put that down. We had put that in our purchase order anyways to check for it and to make sure that everything was okay before they installed. And so that's what they said to do. So this is the bad spot right here. This spot is still wet, and that's why I have this fan going. Whatever was here before peed on this whole thing right here. So it's kind of concerning to me. I don't like seeing that because that's, I mean, they literally put all around every edge here kills. Now we get to do that as well. So I'm pretty upset that we can't put the carpet in today, but knowing that it's gonna be done right and that it'll smell nice when we're done is the biggest part. Like we've had this thing out for the past few days, like the past week and a half, and it has done nothing. So, yeah, we need to, these people didn't clean up after their cat or dog either. Like they definitely didn't clean up this spot. They didn't clean the spot up, obviously, because it's still wet. And they've been out of here for a month and a half. So that is what we get to do today. That is what I'm gonna be working on. I'm gonna actually let the fan sit and air out this whole place for roughly an hour to 2 hours. Probably go home and eat and do some stuff before we come back. But we already have all the kills, we already have all the necessary tools to do it. So it's something that was that I expected we had to do. I was expecting it because it smelled so bad. Even after we painted, it still smelled. And I kind of figured something was up, but yeah. So there's a patio from up here. You can see our car. So we are going to go back to my parents' house and relax for a little bit before we come back here and do all this and get it all set, so.